What's up guys, and welcome to the brand new video. And today I'm gonna talking about how to create a travel advisor app in HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code to edit my code on here. Right? And now I'm gonna create a new folder called Travel Advisor, right? So I'm gonna rename as Travel Advisor. So Travel Advisor, right? So now I'm gonna drag and drop this Travel Advisor folder to the Visual Studio Code to open the folder, right? So I just open now, right? So I'm gonna enlarge this one. Also in here, right? So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna create index.html, right? HTML, I just put as wrong. So okay, now I'm gonna click the shift +1, it will get this point, right? So now click enter to make this doc type HTML code, right? And inside of here, you don't want to anything now, but you're gonna change this name as Travel Advisor, right? Good. So in here, you're going to create the style.css to design your document, right? And also in this video, I'm gonna also talking about the index.js, right? Great. So first of all, we're gonna connect to these style CSS and index.js to the HTML. So first of all, the below of the head, we're gonna connect the style.css. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna put as link. Inside the link, you're gonna put rel and add as style sheet, right? Style sheet. So in a href, in here you're gonna put the style.css, but in here we didn't want to only use the style CSS because I'm going to design more efficient design for the buttons and customs areas. So I'm gonna choose Bootstrap Css. So for that, I'm gonna go to the Safari, or you want go to the browser that you favorite, right? So you're gonna search as get bootstrap, right? Get bootstrap, right? Get bootstrap, right? Inside the get bootstrap, you're gonna go here. You don't want to download this file because that's heavy. You can easily copy the CSS only, right? You're gonna copy down here, right? So in here, you're gonna paste on this, right? So it came tab, right? Delete, right? So let's start doing. First of all, I'm gonna create head 1 called Travel Advisor, right? I just put like this, and now we're gonna create the P and H2 after this design, right? Before I'm gonna say all of these, I'm gonna connect the index.js to here. So first of all, inside the body, I'm gonna use the script module to connect that. Source is index.js, right? So now it's okay. And I'm also create a button to get into my YouTube channel page with a one button click. So I can create like that, but I didn't want to create like on here. First, we're gonna create about that, right? Firstly, I'm gonna say it as an example only for 3 countries. So let's go. Okay. In H2, we can take more things when you are planning to trip. Right? It's okay. Now I'm gonna go to open with the live server. So just click it. So I'm just creating for the mobile phone. That's why I'm gonna do it something like this. And wait. Yes, like this. Now I'm gonna open my iOS simulator. First of all, I'm gonna go to the terminal. In here, open a simulator. Yeah, it's opening. I'm just using iPhone 13 Pro as in my simulator. So it's running. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, in here we're gonna wait, and in the style CSS we just want to put as H1 to design on here, right? So that's it. So just copy the link from the Safari, and I'm gonna open the Safari also in this device, and I'm gonna paste this. I just came to the live server. Yes, okay, now we got it. So I'm gonna refresh it. Yeah, it's working. So TripAdvisor, it get on center, but it's also on center. So we're gonna do it as in center. So in the style CSS, H2, text align, center. So I'm gonna refresh it. Right, it's working. It's automatically working. Yeah, it's centralized, but when you didn't centralize this one, it's also great. Yeah, it's also great. But why happening like this? Oh, I'm gonna centralize this. Yeah, it's okay. But I'm gonna refresh it. Yes, it's okay. And I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna go and paste it on here. Yes. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, already the server is running on here. That's why it's not working. Okay, good. Okay, let's go and put something in JavaScript. Welcome to the TripAdvisor. Right. So, okay, I just put it down. So in the Chrome, we can only inspect the view and we can see it. In the end of the video, I'll show it over there. Right. This is a TripAdvisor. Yeah, the scrolling function is good. Okay, it's fine. So now I'm gonna create a button to go. Before that, I'm gonna download an image for a country. I'm gonna start with Canada, right? So I'll search like Canada. Yeah, okay, we get into that. And in here, I'm gonna copy these points, right? I'm gonna copy down, and also I'm gonna copy this image address, right? Wait, so I don't want an image of in Canada. Yeah, this is the Canada planet view, right? Copy the image address. So first of all, I'm gonna go and I'm just did HR. Yeah, it came. So after that, I'm gonna put the H3, right? So H3 is okay, and I'm gonna put as Canada. So this is also going to be the centerizable. So H3 is text align center. Right, it's came. So I'm gonna create a good button. Also, before that, I'm gonna create the div statement to add the class img1. Right, inside of here, we're gonna put image, and I'm gonna create the source and paste it there. Right, it came. So I'm gonna set the width to 200, right? 200 is fine, but I'm gonna put as 300, right? 300. Yeah, it's also fine, but I'm gonna put as 250. It's the medium level of the image, right? Why I'm centralize everything on here? Because of it's also going to be supported on browsers and every mobile phone. That's why I'm just doing like this. So I'm also centralized this img1. Wait, I'm gonna dot img1 and text line center. Good. Right. Yeah, it's finally ready to go. And I'm gonna create a button, a custom Bootstrap button, right? So I'm gonna create a div. I'm gonna put the class as btn1, btn Canada, right? Canada. So in here, I'm gonna put it as a button. So the class is going to be btn. This is the Bootstrap module, right? btn slash primary. They have info, dangerous, success, and many more things. So in here, read more. So this is the button. Before, when we put the button, we're gonna paste something in here as an P. So we can also want to put the div statement again to state the classes. So in here, P1. No, P Canada is also great to identify. So I'm gonna put it as yes. Yeah, no. Inside here, we're gonna create the P statement. Right. Okay. P. We're gonna paste it down. But this is an image. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna copy a guide about Canada. All. And I'm gonna paste all of these. Okay. Maybe. Yes, it's great. So P1, P Canada, right? P Canada. Why I just put it as a P in Canada, right? Okay. Canada, and I'm gonna text line is going to be in center, right? It's getting quick. It's not centralizing. Why? Yeah, just spelling mistake. Canada, right? It's okay. Yeah, it's game. So I'm gonna put this button also as a center. So BTN Canada, text line is important to identify all of these in here. So if you want to read more, we're gonna redirect. So we can also use the href when we use the A statement in HTML, but we can't do it on this Bootstrap button. So we're gonna create the on-click statement and we're going to connect the JavaScript. Okay, so let's go. So before that, in here we're gonna put the on-click statement. Okay, Canada click, right? Just put as Canada click. In the next JavaScript file, we're gonna create a function called Canada click. Either click or clicked. Just put click. Canada click. Good. So we're gonna put the function on here, right? So console.log print redirecting to Wikipedia, right? Before that, we're gonna copy this one, Wikipedia link, because it's important. Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna finish this one. Okay. Wikipedia. So okay. After that, we're gonna create to transfer the location of this button, right? Window.location. So this is a new statement. Location is equal to this line. So I'm gonna put this one, right? It's okay, it's fine. So when you click this button, it will automatically redirecting to the link, and we can read the Wikipedia summary of a candidate, right? Great. Okay, it's also a great one. So right, so now we're gonna put down and we're gonna create this chart. And after that, I'm also create the H4 to build up. So another country we're gonna choose is China, right? So the div class img2, inside the div we're gonna create the img. Source is equal to, we're gonna go to here and search as China. Great. So before that, we're gonna take a picture of a China. So yeah, this is the Great Wall of China. I really like this one. So I'll copy this image address. So I'm gonna go here and I just put like this. the biggest link, but it didn't came because of this is the HTTP. It's starting from HTTPS, but it's not starting on here, so it's not working. So we're gonna put another image of in China. Yes, it's also great. So we're gonna check it down, it's working or not. So we're gonna put this one right. Yeah, it can work maybe. Yeah, it's working, right, great. And we're gonna send right this all of thing. So H4 text align center, img2, img2, and we're gonna text align center. Oh, capitalize, nope. Text align center. Yes, good. This is a good image. Okay, and we're gonna copy down from the Wikipedia, right? We're gonna copy all of these on here. Okay, so I'm gonna create another div statement in here called P1. Oh no, P Canada, right? P China. So we're gonna create a class P China. Right inside here, we're gonna put the P, and we're gonna paste this one. Great. And we're gonna also centralize this also. P China. Text align center. Great. And we're gonna create a button. Good. So class BTN China. So it's okay. Instead of the here, we're gonna create a button statement. So button. The class is BTN. What primary is good one? So we're gonna primary. I'm gonna use this primary one. It's great. Read more. Good. So in here, BTN China text align center. Great. We just made it. How is it? We just made it. Sorry. Just put that. So I'm gonna copy this down. I'm gonna paste on here. Is this? Yes, it's okay. It's fine. Okay. So this video is coming more long. So that's it. So we're gonna finish this one. So here we're gonna create one-click statement called China click. Okay, index.js, create a function China click, and console.log redirecting connecting to Wikipedia. Right? Great. So I'm gonna put it down. So I'm gonna paste it in here. org/China. Wiki China /China or China. Great. And we can easily do it like this. Wikipedia is Wiki China. That's all. That's it. Yeah. And I'm gonna click it down on the read more. It automatically get into the China, right? So right. So this is the travel advisor app that I made. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Bye-bye.